Hello class 10 students, welcome back to my channel Learn with Ease. The 22nd video, that is the previous video, was on reported speech. We discussed 12 examples of direct and indirect speech in traditional format. Now, in continuation with it, here are 5 more examples followed by the questions on reported speech given in CBSE sample paper. Before watching this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel Learn with Ease. Do mention it in the comment section if the examples were useful to you. Let's get started. The 13th example is Shekhar said to Praneeth, I know her address. You can see there are 2 answers for the verb know. The reason being, the tenses may not change if the statement is still relevant or if it is a universal truth. We can often choose whether to keep the original tenses or change them. So the answer is Shekhar told, said to changes to told, Praneeth, break the inverted commas using that, I changes to he, know changes to knows or knew, her address. So the complete answer is Shekhar told Praneeth that he knows or he knew her address. Now let's see the 14th example. Shekhar says, I am glad to be here this evening. It is seen as Shekhar says in the question. It remains the same in the answer. So the answer is Shekhar says that I changes to he, am that is is changes to was, here changes to there, and this changes to that. So the complete answer is Shekhar says that he was glad to be there that evening. This is the 15th example. Shekhar said to Praneeth, go away. Now in reporting commands and requests, the reported speech is introduced by some verb expressing command or request. So you can make out that Praneeth is being ordered. So the answer is Shekhar ordered Praneeth to go away. In the 16th example, you can see the word please. See the question. Shekhar said to Praneeth, please wait here till I return. So you can see the word please, and the moment you see the word please, you can use the word requested in reported speech. So the answer is Shekhar requested Praneeth to wait there till he returned. So whatever has to be converted has been highlighted in red, and please check how the words have been converted in reported speech. Now look at the 17th example. In reporting exclamations and wishes, the reported speech is introduced by some verb expressing exclamation or wish. So the example is Shekhar said, alas, I am undone. And the answer is exclaimed sadly that he was undone. Let's see the questions given in CBSE sample paper. So the question numbers are as per the sample paper question number. So let's look at question number 3. Riya asked the following question to her colleague Deepak. Have you finalized the magazine content to be submitted tomorrow? Now what you're supposed to do is you have to report Riya's question correctly without a mistake. Because the statement is in question form, so you will say asked. So the answer is Riya asked her colleague if he had finalized the magazine content to be submitted the following or next day. So the rules of conversion have been learnt. So it's only applying that rule in the given answer without a mistake, because this kind of a question gives you either 0 or 1 mark, and no half mark is awarded if even a slight mistake is there. Now let's see question number 5. Read Sana's reply to her team leader regarding the preparation of an important presentation. I'm sorry, I forgot, ma'am. I will have the presentation ready for you very soon today. Now what you are supposed to do is you have to report Sana's reply by completing the following sentence correctly. Sana apologized for having forgotten and said. So when you look at the answer, half of it is already given to you. You only have to write the second half without a mistake. And the answer is, Sana apologized for having forgotten and said that she would have the presentation ready for her very soon that day. Words to be converted have been highlighted in red. Once you identify the words that are to be converted, you can convert them in reported speech and make your answer perfect. So don't miss out the words that are to be converted. I have highlighted in red, but in the question paper you only have to identify the word that needs to be converted as per the rules of conversion. Let's see question number 9. Report the dialogue between a teacher and a student by completing sentence. The teacher says, "Did everyone understand the new assignment?" The students replied, "Yes, we all got it. Thank you." Look at the answer. Again, 3/4 of the answer is already given to you. You only have to convert a small part. The first thing that comes to your mind is to convert the words in direct speech the way the previous non-CBSE examples were done. But looking at the clues already given, your conversion changes. As you can see, yes is an affirmative expression, an answer that shows agreement or acceptance. So the answer is, the teacher asked if everyone had understood the new assignment, to which the students responded or replied affirmatively, expressing their gratitude. Let's see question number 12. Read the conversation about social media between a teacher and a student. The teacher says, "How do you think social media influences our perceptions of reality?" Jagrit says, "I believe it distorts our perception of reality by only showing the highlight reels of people's lives." Now what you have to do is, you have to report Jagrit's or student's response by completing the following. Now look at the answer. Instead of it in the question, social media is used in the answer. The word distorts in the question does not change to distorted in the answer, as the statement is still relevant. So the answer is, the student remarked that he believed social media distorts their perception of reality by only showing the highlight reels of people's lives. I hope this video was helpful and useful to you. In case you feel you need more examples, do let me know in the comment section. If you have any doubt, you can also get it clarified in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.